This guide covers the installation of the PAALER aluminum entrance mat system.
Check all materials and accessories.
Install the ramp frame. Turn the ramp profiles upside down, align the corners, and assemble them into a frame. Insert the fixing bracket into the grooves on the back of the ramp profiles. Connect the ramp profiles and tighten the screws firmly. Repeat the process until the frame is fully assembled. Flip the assembled aluminum frame to the front side. Install the mat modules. Fit the modules securely into the aluminum frame. Align and interlock the modules securely. Repeat the process until all modules are properly assembled.
Installation completed. Place the mat in a designated area for use. Thank you for watching. PAALER, better mat, better floor.